You are going to love the 2012 3500. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, remote keyless entry, speed control, 160 amp alternator, dual rear wheels, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, front stabilizer bar. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, audio controls, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, leather shift knob, security alarm. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.